Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 670 Fisher Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular Canandaigua Lake property with million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is phenomenal open waterfront living with breathtaking views everywhere you look. Featuring a beam cathedral ceiling great room with a traditional wood-burning fireplace with a stone surround and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the expansive waterfront sunroom with a full bathroom and a wall of windows with the most incredible lake views. This charming lake home also features a light and bright kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, a breakfast bar, and an adjacent laundry room. 2 spacious bedrooms and another full bathroom, all with scenic lake views.
The quality craftsmanship of this property is evident in the details.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle and the best of waterfront entertaining with an expansive viewing deck overlooking the waterfront deck and permanent dock with a boathouse and sunbathing area, all with approximately 82 feet of pristine waterfront with a break wall, exceptional privacy, and scenic views that make you say, "Wow, that's beautiful!"
This one-of-a-kind Canandaigua Lake property has million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views. This southern exposure is spectacular. This property has a prime location on Fisher Road, which is a neighborhood of fine lake homes, providing ultimate privacy with the afternoon sun and spectacular sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 670 Fisher Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!